Our ICE stock program recommend to short or sell the stock before stock market closes today. Our ICE stock program recommend to buy the stock before stock market closes today.
Nice to meet you. My name is Han Myung-wook, who runs BUYSHORTNOW.com. Based on long years of experience in IT development at leading companies in Korea, Europe and the United States, we are pleased to present to you the development of a program to predict stock price movements. Through the hard work and efforts of AI development staff for 3 years, numerous tests and analysis of results, I gained confidence in the program output. So, we decided to provide daily stock predictions of our AI stock program to many people. We are sure that over time you will gain more and more confidence in the results of our stock prediction program. When the human brain decides whether the stock price will rise or fall tomorrow, it is difficult to analyze a large number of cases in a limited amount of time. However, an AI stock program using a supercomputer analyzes thousands of cases in a quick time to determine whether stocks will rise or fall tomorrow. But it is impossible to always accurately predict stocks even with AI stock programs. However, after a few months, if you invested as predicted by the AI program, it will be revealed how much profit you will make, and your faith in the AI stock program will build up. We select a few companies in your country to give you the latest stock news and whether to buy or short their stocks before the stock market closes each day. Short is an investment choice that makes a profit when the stock price goes down. There is no short option in some Asian countries. In this case, you can do sell instead of short. However, this broadcast is only advice from an AI stock program for investment judgment. Please note that individual investors are responsible for investment decisions and results.
Canadian Natural Resources Limited, CNQ. 2. Canadian Natural Resources Limited has announced plans to reduce its greenhouse gas emissions by 50% by 2030. The company has also set a target to achieve net zero emissions by 2050. Canadian Natural Resources is committed to reducing its environmental impact and transitioning to a low-carbon economy. The company is investing in a variety of initiatives to achieve its emissions reduction targets, such as renewable energy, carbon capture and storage, and energy efficiency. Canadian Natural Resources is also working with its customers to help them reduce their environmental impact. The company offers a variety of sustainable energy products and services, such as renewable energy credits and carbon offsets. Canadian Natural Resources' commitment to emissions reduction is a positive development for the company and its shareholders. It shows that the company is committed to sustainability and is positioning itself for long-term growth. The company's commitment to emissions reduction is also beneficial to the Canadian energy sector as a whole, as it helps to reduce the sector's environmental impact. Canadian Natural Resources Limited, CNQ. 2.
Please note that individual investors are responsible for investment decisions and results.
Buy the following stock now before stock market closes today. Buy the following stock now before stock market closes today. Buy the following stock now before stock market closes today.
Some person really want to make sure that our YouTube video is uploaded before the close of the stock market today. So we are showing the current screen capture of Yahoo website to you. We will calculate the profit after considering the price on the screen as your buy price. Every several months, we will provide the profit report assuming you invested according to our AI forecast every day. Suncor Energy Inc. Su. 2. Suncor Energy Inc. has announced a new partnership with indigenous communities to develop renewable energy projects. The partnership will focus on developing solar and wind projects on indigenous lands. Suncor will provide financial and technical support for the projects, while the indigenous communities will provide land and local knowledge. The partnership is expected to create jobs and economic opportunities for indigenous communities. It will also help to reduce Suncor's greenhouse gas emissions and support Canada's transition to a clean energy future. Suncor Energy Inc. is also investing in new technologies to reduce its environmental impact. The company is developing new ways to extract bitumen from the oil sands that produce fewer emissions. Suncor is also investing in carbon capture and storage technology, which can be used to capture and store carbon dioxide emissions from its operations. Suncor Energy Inc. is committed to sustainability and is working to reduce its environmental impact. The company's investments in renewable energy and new technologies are helping to position Suncor for long-term growth. Suncor Energy Inc. Sue. 2.
Please note that individual investors are responsible for investment decisions and results.
Buy the following stock now before stock market closes today. Buy the following stock now before stock market closes today. Buy the following stock now before stock market closes today.
Some person really want to make sure that our YouTube video is uploaded before the close of the stock market today. So we are showing the current screen capture of Yahoo website to you. We will calculate the profit after considering the price on the screen as your buy price. Every several months, we will provide the profit report assuming you invested according to our AI forecast every day. Royal Bank of Canada, RBC. 2. Royal Bank of Canada has announced plans to invest $1 billion in its cybersecurity program over the next 5 years. The investment will be used to improve the bank's ability to detect, prevent, and respond to cyber attacks. Royal Bank of Canada is committed to protecting its customers' data and financial security. The bank has a strong track record of cybersecurity, but it is investing heavily in this area to stay ahead of the evolving threat landscape. Royal Bank of Canada is also working with other banks and financial institutions to share information and best practices on cybersecurity. Royal Bank of Canada's investment in cybersecurity is a positive development for the bank and its customers. It shows that the bank is committed to protecting its customers' data and financial security. The bank's investment in cybersecurity is also beneficial to the Canadian financial system as a whole, as it helps to strengthen the resilience of the system to cyber attacks. Royal Bank of Canada, RBC. 2.
Please note that individual investors are responsible for investment decisions and results.
Short or sell the following stock now before stock market closes today. Short or sell the following stock now before stock market closes today. Short or sell the following stock now before stock market closes today.
Some person really want to make sure that our YouTube video is uploaded before the close of the stock market today. So we are showing the current screen capture of Yahoo website to you. We will calculate the profit after considering the price on the screen as your sell or short price. Every several months, we provide the profit report assuming you invested according to our AI forecast every day.